Welcome to Creative Cooking. Today we're making grilled steak and cheese because sometimes you just feel like having a sandwich. What's better than a hot sandwich with a lot of cheese on it? So we're going to go ahead and grill up one yellow onion. It's a small onion that's been cut into small pieces. It's not minced. It's not sliced. It's, sandwich worthy. And we'll saute that for a couple of minutes and then add half a red bell pepper. Now that's because I just happen to have half a red bell pepper in the fridge. You can use green, you can use jalapeno. And then it comes to the steak. We're using shaved steak. And the best way to deal with shaved steak is with a pair of kitchen shears. Don't try to cut it with a knife. Good luck with that. Alright, so get it into the pan. That's actually two 12-ounce packages. And we're going to season that with Montreal steak seasoning. If you don't have that, you can use salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. It'll give you pretty much the same results. And then continue to saute that until it's done, but still juicy, and take it off the heat. Because now we're going to use a griddle. This is an old cast iron griddle that's perfect for the job. I have Italian bread that I put a little butter on, and I'm going to start a grilled cheese. If you think that you know exactly what I'm going to do next, you might want to watch this for a little while. We're not going to put one layer of cheese though. We're going to put two. And there's a good reason for that. And I'm using American cheese. American cheese is classic for an American style steak and cheese sandwich, and it has excellent melting qualities. And we are in fact making a grilled cheese. But now that is one long piece of bread, and doing the first flip on this is not easy, but I'm going to give it my best shot, and behold, it worked. In fact, I'm proud of it, so I'm going to show you a couple more times. That was a feat of magic. But I digress. You might want to flip that over a couple of times with the heat not on, because we want it to melt. We want it to get very melted inside, and here's why. You open it up like a book, or you could call it butterflying a grilled cheese. Think about this. And we're going to start to fill it up with our delicious steak and peppers. Well, this is not so much a recipe as it is a technique. I use this technique for pastrami sandwiches and all kinds of things. Use your imagination with this. It's a great way of doing it. Everything's hot. Everything is ready to eat. Just fold it over. But we won't stop there. I'm going to cut this open and show you what it looks like inside. That, my friends, is a delicious sandwich. And I hope you try it. And I hope you come back each week for more great videos made for people who like to cook. Until then, ciao.